Well, all right, everybody, here we are at the closing table, purchasing another property from these fine people. We have Kelly and we have Jeff, and we're buying a property. You actually, this was a estate type of situation, correct?
For my parents' home. Yeah.
So did you live in the home when you were growing up, or this was just your parents' home?
Just my parents' home.
So when I first met Kelly and Jeff, you had basically been in charge of this estate,
Yes.
correct? And they were sweating like crazy. They were cleaning this property out. You guys did a lot of work to get this thing, to get it here where we are today.
Weeks of work, yeah.
So what was your experience like working with our home buying company?
Everything has been great.
Really good.
Yeah, very thorough.
Yeah.
Very kind.
Yeah.
Everything's been great.
Real easy and just smooth.
And we were able to close today on the set closing day. There was no hiccups in getting the cash wired in or anything like that.
Correct.
And we were not the only people you talked. You had a lot of people looking at this property. Is that
Yes.
right?
Oh yeah, lots.
And what made you go with our company?
That we felt like we could trust you
Yeah.
and just felt you had a good business, good work.
Mm-hmm. Are you glad you went with us?
Yes.
Now that we're here at the closing table?
Yeah.
Very much so.
And what would you say to somebody else who maybe has a property they want to sell fast and easy for cash?
This is the man that'll work with you and their team.
And our team, it is
We'll
a
get it
team
done.
effort. So, just like they say, it takes a tribe or a village to raise a child. It takes a whole village and a tribe to buy houses and do this consistently. So, we have a great team behind us. They deserve a lot of the credit as well. And if you're somebody who wants to sell their house fast and easy and conveniently, visit us online, sellhousecolumbus.com, or call us 614-300-5151 on behalf of myself, Kelly, Jeff. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the next video.